must pay homage to him.
Hey, welcome back to Friend Style. I hope you really liked the beginning of the video with the B-roll and everything and that kind of vlog-like material. It's really cool to shoot videos like that for me every once in a while, so I really hope you enjoyed it. Today I will be reviewing the New Balance 2002 R in the Rain Cloud colorway. Off the jump, the shoe for me is a 10 out of 10. The materials, the quality is truly like an A to S tier. It's S, actually no, it's S plus, like for sure. The suede's amazing. The mesh is really good. The only gripe I have about the shoe is on the front part right here. These parts of suede right here, forefoot. It's a couple shades too dark, probably like 4 or 5 shades too dark. Otherwise, the shoe is perfect. There's not too many like flaws that are even noticeable. Even if you're wearing the shoe, and unless you have a like retail pair right next to you, nobody's gonna be able to tell the difference. The shoe's amazing. It's great quality. Got these for my wife. She's already loving them, enjoying them. Can't wait. I know she can't wait to wear them for little ass feet. But yeah, this is a great pair of shoes. Let me know what you think about them. Let me know what flaws you see. Pretty sure y'all gonna find something that I did not. Only had the shoe for about a couple hours now. But yeah, it's pretty much all for the video. See you in the next one. And if you like, oh yeah, but I forgot to say this part. And if you like the shoe at all, the seller will be right here with the discount code right below it. If you like this shoe, definitely go check them out. They have the shoes for a great price, way cheaper than the resale price, that's for sure. So yeah, go get it. I would say that this pair is actually even better than the retail. It's just when it comes to materials alone, that suede is premium, high quality. But yeah, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Peace. Oh yeah, and subscribe. Peace. Need those subscribers.